Hi everyone. Happy June holidays. So this video is part of the 7 days special videos where we will be learning about different topics of math during the June holidays. So today we'll be learning about polygons. Moving on. What are polygons? So as we see here, to know the topic polygons, we need to define polygons. So the big question is, what are polygons? Obviously. Well, without further ado, let's continue. So polygons are basically figures. I know I'm not very good, but whatever. Figures that are made out of straight lines, like these. And they connect each other. So polygons are like these shapes. Alright. So I wonder if these are polygons. Well, what do you think? The answer is they are not polygons. Okay, so why are they not polygons? As I said, polygons are figures made out of n number of straight lines, which means any amount bigger than 3, of course, or you can get a complete figure, 3 or above, to summarize, and they cannot have any holes in between. So, it's possible that polygons are inverted like this, but never can they have any holes. Or can they be circles like these, or not straight lines? They can be ovals too. All these are not polygons. A big cross for there. Why? Because they have round lines. So, all right. Moving on. Oh no. Now we know what are polygons. We'll be learning the sum of interior angles of polygons, the concept number 1. So, since we all know now what polygons are, we will be interested, won't we, in finding out the angle. So, look at here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12-sided polygons with 12 vertices. So, do you know what their total angle, interior angle is? Well, what I mean is this plus this. So, wait a second. This plus this plus this plus this. All these, this. We learned angles, didn't we? So, anyways, so angles are basically the degree when two lines meet each other. So, without further ado, let's continue. So, using this, I'll mark out all the angles of this. All right. So, it's here, 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 and here. All right, now we have marked all of them out. Now we'll dive in for the real problem solving. Now I'll mark this with green color. Okay, so as we all know, firstly, we need to know that triangles, their total angle equals to 180, right? So now I want you all to cut this out into triangles. So it will be drawn as a triangle. Drawn as a triangle. Triangle. Hey, you're starting to see it, don't you? Drawing it up. All right. So now we have how many triangles do we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 10 triangles. Now what? Well, let's see. Okay, now I'll mark this using yellow. All the angles that are accounted for will be marked with yellow now, all right? So, from this triangle, 180, this part is marked, all right? And this part, so we'll mark it. This part is also marked, all right? This part, this little teeny weeny part is marked. For second triangle, now we're on 360 now, is marked, is marked, is marked. Third one, mark, mark, mark. And this one, mark, mark, mark. And mark. All right, now we have marked all the angles. So we can see that 10 triangles basically cover everything in this, all right? So for this particular polygon, it will be 10 multiplied by 180, right? As 180 is the total amount of degrees. The answer equals to 1800. Okay, so we now know that. So, but we need a generalization, don't we? We can't keep on cutting triangles, can we? So, all right, I'll be moving on. All right, some examples for us. Okay, so look, for the square here, we will cut them up into 2 triangles. So 2 triangles, mark. All right. Okay, so it will be 2 times 180. 2 times 180 equals to 360. It actually works, right? We all know that squares are 360 in total degrees. So now this is the point here. So it works for these regular polygons. How about this? Irregular polygons. I'll leave you to think about it. Remember, use my technique. Okay, so done? Okay, so after that, now we'll cut these up from Q into 2 triangles. It actually still works. See it yourself. So it's actually here, 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 all accounted for. So it's still 360. That's not the point anyways. So a generalization. Observe, these have how many sides? 4. And how many 180s is it? 2. How about this? Also 4 and 2. Let's look at the before one to have a better understanding. So before it was 12 and then we had 10. So I guess you already know, so I'll just show you. The conclusion, sum of all interior angles of any polygons, regardless irregular or regular, is n number of sides. n will be the number of sides minus 2 times 180. Okay, this should be our end of our special video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.